Errors E2 and E22 may occur in gas ovens with static and rotating floors respectively, when the flame sensor does not detect combustion in the burner. This may happen during ignition phase, for example, when the gas valve is left closed and the oven fails to ignite more than 3 times in a row. It can also occur during normal oven operation if, for some reason, the burner's flame suddenly goes out. To reset the E2 error and rearm the burner, simply press and hold the reset button for 2 seconds, then release it. It is crucial that the button is held for exactly 2 seconds. Holding it for 1 or 3 seconds will not reset the error. The reset button is the red button next to the console. Once reset, the error will clear, and the burner will restart the ignition process.